Hello, I am Dr. Kimberly Leopold, owner of Holistic Healthcare Centers in Lisle, Illinois, and today I am here with my most favorite boy patient, my son Riley. I have a daughter too, so that's why I said boy patient.
Hi.
Hi. So since he's my son, he's allowed to take his mask off or pull it down since we're, just the two of us working here right now.
No one's really been in this room for like a day.
For a while. So, since you have been growing up with holistic and integrated medicine, can you tell other kids who might be watching this some of the treatments you've gotten, what you think of them in a nice way?
That means the stuff here, right?
Yes, and if you want to look there so that the kids, and use your, not your yelling voice, but your big guy voice.
The cups, they feel good. They just hurt. They only hurt a little if you really need them in the spot they're on, and they only hurt for like a few minutes, and they don't hurt very much.
So what he's talking about is cupping therapy, and we use silicone cups on kids, usually on your back, but you can kind of see this is what a cupping treatment would look like, usually on the back. But say he had hurt his arm, it would be on his arm. And for kids, it might be what's called flash cupping, only on for a second. But if they're older, like Riley, or more comfortable with it, it'll be on for up to 10 minutes. And so tell us some of one or two experiences you've had with cupping.
I have one time when I was playing Roblox and Minecraft with my friends. I had to put on cups because my back was hurting.
All that computer usage?
No, because I had slept weird that day. I woke up like this, all twisted and mangled, and I had to get cupping to put my body back in the right way, and I had to put it on. And by the time she took it off of me, we had switched to playing Minecraft and beating the Ender Dragon. And then another experience I had. Did
your back feel any better?
Oh yeah, it felt like nothing happened. And another experience I've had was when I was like 2, where I got it put on me and my stuff, and I always got them put on him, and it was good. And
awesome.
How many do you say?
That's plenty. The next thing you can see there is acupuncture. So, Riley has received acupuncture since he's been little. And these are the needles we use for kids. There's sometimes different colors, but these are the least invasive needles possible.
There are these and then red. The red, there are these and the red. The red feel only a little bit more painful. You wouldn't even notice though. And
you can see it's very tiny and thin.
Yeah.
And it's even bendable. So the reason we use the bendable ones is with kids, they sometimes are a little squirmy. Or might, sometimes just get up off the table unexpectedly.
I looked like a porcupine that time.
Yes, but we've also treated kids with epilepsy or with seizures or tremors, so we also want to make sure they're bendable. So that way, anything that might come up, we've got it covered. So Riley gave me permission to do 2 points so that we could show other kids out there,
right?
One on your head and one on your arm.
Oh yeah, that.
What it is like to get acupuncture when you're a kid.
On my head, you can put the red ones. If you have any.
Yeah, I do. That would be great.
Only on my head for the red ones, though.
Sure. Okay. So, thank you so much, Riley. So, we do what's called do 20, if you want to look that way. And we got to go right in the middle. So, there's one that says antenna. Now, he can just get in like Minecraft straight from, just kidding.
It's like a little prick when you put it on, but then it doesn't hurt at all.
Oh, not the red.
And it's like a little prick, like basically only hurts that much.
Okay, and then...
And this is like...
All right, and everything we can see? All right, ready? You okay?
Yeah.
And it goes boop.
Boop.
And that's it.
I would put a thumbs up here, but I don't want to... Like...
And now, just so we can show the kids what I would do when I normally take it out, can you keep your arm up there? Oh no, is that your gaming arm?
No, this is WASD. Both of them are.
Both of them are your gaming arms. Okay.
WASD.
So then,
mouse.
after, like, let's say that he had acupuncture wherever he was going to have it, it would be in for ideally up to 20 minutes, but we'll see how every kid's a little different. A half hour is best, but and then I would take a cotton ball, I'd put it at the skin, and I'd take it out, and that is it.
They only put the cotton balls there for like grown-ups, because sometimes when grown-ups they do little silver things that are they hurt a lot more, and sometimes it bleeds with the silver ones.
And then last,
look, it's completely fine.
It is one of Riley's favorite treatments.
Look, if I close my eyes, I can't even see it again. Oh wait, I actually can't see it.
Color puncture.
Oh, never mind, I found it.
Can you tell us a little bit, whatever you want to share about color puncture?
Didn't you give it to me like the day after I was born?
No, I didn't know yet, but your grandma Lex does color puncture, and you were an itty bitty baby when she did it for you because you had tummy aches.
Yeah, it basically just helps with anything, and it's literally just putting something on you. It doesn't squeeze, it doesn't go on your skin.
We're going to show one point so that way kids could know what this is like.
It's literally just this.
Boop.
And if you are really ticklish on your toes, I know this from experience because I am. Like if you get on your feet, sometimes you can just have them not even touch in case you're really ticklish.
And then this is one that kids love, and this is a very relaxing. So let's say you have a child that has a lot of high energy, maybe hyperactivity. There's different coordinations.
That's why you always put them on me. Huh. Didn't know that.
Okay. There's different points I would do with different colors, but this is a treatment that I do almost every time with every child because it's not contraindicated in any treatment and it's calming and relaxing. So I think everybody in the world can handle a little of that, and so we go like this. Alright, and sometimes we have the needle here, but sometimes we'll put it at the top of the head too, but we have this needle there.
I didn't even realize it was so good. Like, I legitimately did not even...
So I'm going to take that needle out. And Riley, is there anything else?
With the red needles, it's like a little prick going in, you don't even feel it going out.
And Riley, is there anything else, if you were a kid coming here for the first time and you were going to see me or Paula or Dr. John or anybody of the team here, is there anything you would say to them if they were nervous about coming?
Does it hurt? No. Oh.
Medium?
On a scale of 0 to 10, it was like a 2.
That's not bad.
A 3 or a 4 at the most.
And then we have one special guest that's going to come in. Paula, could you come here for a second?
The person who's been working the camera thing.
If you want to step in. Riley, so you've had massages with Paula, right? Can you tell me a little bit what it's like to be a kid and get a massage from Paula?
It kind of tickles.
And does she ever do anything else, like any energy work or anything?
Oh yeah. Yes. So he goes walks around doing energy work and then puts some oil on me or something and then starts massaging me and it feels good.
How do you feel afterwards?
Asleep.
Awesome.
Because I usually fall asleep.
And that's Paula behind you. Check out her massage videos. All right, well, thank you so much.